Spring is always a busy time working on your lawn and garden after a long winter. This season, I am showing you some simple DIY projects to decorate your outdoor spaces and prepare your backyard for an amazing spring and summer season. Hi, I'm Gail, and this is Green Home presented by Steel. In our previous episodes, I showed you how to build an herb garden and a pallet sofa. Today, we will build a pallet bar together. To get started, let's make a list of everything you will need to complete this project. Stihl's GTA 26 handheld battery pruning saw, sander or sandpaper, drill, and screws, 2 similarly sized pallets, and 2 pieces of 2x6 lumber. Like before, we are going to start off by sanding the pallets. Next, let's cut the leg boards. I've decided to make my bar at a height of 3.5 feet, but again, you can cut the boards to your desired height. Now that they are cut, we're going to assemble and attach them to the pallets using a drill and screws like this. I was lucky to find a pallet with a flat, complete surface for my bar. If this wasn't the case for you, you could use any material to create a flat surface: barn board, laminate, tiles, however you'd like to finish off for a customized look. Since we will be using the wood surface, it's best to seal the surface since we will be serving food and drinks on it. Now that our varnish is dry, all that's left to do is decorate. This bar is going to be a hit when my family and friends come over to enjoy a hot summer day. This was a quick and inexpensive project that will look amazing in your yard. Thanks for watching, and join me in my next episode. What are we going to build? You'll have to come and see.